Reflection is the bridge that connects experience with learning. Studies reveal that students who engage in self-reflection not only excel academically, but also develop skills that are vital for their future careers and personal lives. As a school, we've just completed many weeks of extensive school self-reflection, which has just culminated in our successful IB evaluation and CIS accreditation this week. All of this has brought into sharper focus the truth that self-reflection is not just an academic requirement, but it's an essential life skill. So, what is reflection? At its core, reflection is the practice of thoughtfully considering our experiences. It's about asking questions, key questions of ourselves. What did I learn? How did I approach this challenge? What can I do differently next time? It's about asking ourselves tough questions, being honest about our responses. And this kind of critical thinking helps to develop a mindset of continuous improvement, which is indispensable in our ever-changing world. In 2017, the Journal of Educational Psychology documented research that shows that reflective learners are more effective problem solvers and exhibit greater creativity, which of course are qualities that are essential in living and functioning in the 21st century. The Harvard Business Review concluded much the same in 2019, emphasizing how reflective practices also lead to better decision-making. As parents, your support is instrumental in cultivating this skill in your children. Start by encouraging them to maintain a reflective journal. The simple practice allows them to express their thoughts after completing assignments or facing challenges. Ask them to share their reflections with you. Instead of the usual, "How was your day?" try asking, "What was one thing that challenged you today, and how did you respond to it?" Or as a family around the dinner table, let's all say one thing that we learned from today. This approach opens the door to deeper conversations and encourages critical thinking. Modeling reflection in your own life can also have a significant impact on your children. Share your experiences and how self-reflection has influenced your decisions. This creates an environment where your child feels comfortable exploring their own thoughts and feelings. It's less about providing answers and more about guiding them towards their own insights. I have, on a good few occasions, mentioned the work of Daniel Goldman, and need to once again, his research and that of many subsequent researchers emphasizes that self-reflection enhances emotional intelligence, a skill increasingly recognized as essential for effective leadership and collaboration. Understanding and managing emotions, both our own and those of others, helps prepare our children for success in any path they choose. Let's not underestimate the power of reflection. In a landscape where adaptability is key, the ability to pause, assess, and adjust is invaluable. Encourage your children to develop this practice and watch them thrive, not only in academics, but in all areas of their lives. Clearly, reflection is more than just a tool for improvement. It's a journey of self-discovery that will empower our children for a lifetime. Together, let's ensure they harness the power of reflection as they continue on their educational journeys and beyond.